Invite how to invite friends on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile option. This type of screen will appear. Click on the followers that is appear here. Click on the followers and you can see at the right top corner there is an option of plus. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on this plus option and you can see invite friends, Facebook friends or friends from contact. Just click on it, then you can find friends from contact and you have to invite them. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.